Hey everyone, I'm Tucker. I'm an iOS developer with 4 apps in the App Store right now. I recently finished a major update on my goal activity tracker called Ticker, and I was looking for a new project. I had a few options to choose from. I could work on my portfolio website, or work on an AI website that's used to help you generate questions to ask characters at a meet and greet, and a new app idea. I was most excited for the app idea, so I decided to jump in and get started. I recently learned about Homework for Life from Matthew Dix. If you're unfamiliar with what that is, it's a daily task to record your story-worthy moments from your day. He originally created it to help him come up with more stories to tell, but I'm honestly more interested in the side effect that he found. He ended up noticing more moments in his life that were worth remembering. So I picked up this habit for a while, and I was really enjoying the process. I was using OneNote to capture my moments, and I quickly realized that this was not the ideal solution. Around the same time, I was getting a feeling that I've had several times in my life. I want to be more creative. I want to create more things. I had seen several things suggesting that journaling would help build my creativity, so I looked around and downloaded some journaling apps. One of the first things I noticed is that these might be a good solution for tracking my daily moments. This was honestly pretty disappointing because I'd already been thinking about the idea of creating my own app for creating them. I even went so far as to decide that I'm just not going to pursue this app idea anymore. But then, the more that I used those journaling apps, I realized that it wasn't quite the right solution for it. Now, don't get me wrong, you can certainly use those journaling apps to create or to track your daily moments, but it just didn't seem like exactly the right fit. I had been capturing my moments for a while, and I realized that the true value in it, at least for me, was capturing those fleeting moments that would have come and gone without me remembering to remember them. And that became my use case for my new app. So I asked myself, what about my app is going to make it different than these existing journaling apps? I came up with a few answers, but more importantly, I decided that my pursuit of this app was worth it. I truly believed that at the end, I would have a unique solution to my use case. Some of the answers that stood out to me are that I wanted the main feature to be capturing those memories. I also wanted it to help you look back on those memories and remember them. And I really wanted it to help you appreciate the people in your life. So with my mind made up that this is the app that I wanted to create, I created a new project in Xcode. Since this app is all about helping you appreciate your life, I've named this app My Life. I don't know what it is about Camel Case, but I have to use it every time I name something. I've actually already made pretty good progress on my app so far. You can add memories with a title in the text to write out your memory, and even add people to tag in those memories. You can view your memories for a day and search back from the past few days or look further back with a calendar view. Then you can tap into the detail view and see even more. And most recently, I've added the ability to add an image when you're creating a memory. I have several more ideas for this app, and honestly, I think the most important decision I'm going to have to make is what's going to go in V1 and what's going to be for later versions. I still need to add all of the functionality for adding an appreciation for somebody, which I've currently named Gratitudes, but I'm not completely in love with that name. There's not currently a way to look back at a random memory that you have. I could add a streak counter to encourage users to keep coming back and adding more memories, and many other ideas. I'll continue to record my progress on my channel, so if you're interested in that, subscribe and follow along. I'm truly excited for this app, mostly because using it is going to improve my life. Matthew Dix talks about how after you've done this for a while, it becomes so much easier to recognize these little moments in your life. I haven't done this long enough to get that full benefit, but I'm already seeing a difference in how I view my life. It's not something that just happens. It's here for me to enjoy. And so is yours. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.